Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is again a one brand tutorial by Mars Cosmetics. So I hope you guys like the video. So firstly, I've taken this BB cream. I'm in the shade medium. This is a BB cream, but it is actually a full coverage foundation effect which it gives you, and you can see on this video. And this BB cream is equal to full coverage foundation. And next I've taken this concealer and I'm in the shade natural. The only thing is this was drying very quickly, so you will have to go with one eye and then with the second eye. And then I have just used this compact powder to just cover the concealer which I've used, else it would crease. And this has two different shades. This compact powder has, one is in a little bit of peachy tone and one is a brighter shade than your skin tone. And then I've gone with this eyeshadow palette which says back to basics, and this is actually a very good eyeshadow palette. You will find a bit of fallout in this palette, but it's really good. And I've taken a brown shade and I'm just drawing a crease above my crease line because I have a hooded eye, so I'm just doing. And then I've taken a very beautiful color from this palette which is blue, so I'm just putting it out towards my outer V of my eyelids, and I'm just blending it out. The key is just to blend your eyeshadow. That is the only key, and it would take a bit of time for you to create a eye look, but blending is always the key. Again, I've taken this brown shade. I'm just again doing the crease line because I've used blue eyeshadow, so everything looks defined. And finally I've taken this golden, yellowish golden sort of shimmer color from the same palette, and I'm just applying this towards the inner corner of my eyes, and you can see how beautiful and how shiny that eyeshadow palette is. And this is very reasonable price. I think the MRP is for around 230 or 240, and you would always get it on discount. So that is one of the best thing about Mars Cosmetic. And same, have used the same concealer. You can see how drying this is. It dries very quickly, so I've used the same concealer under my eyelids, below my eye, and I'm just dabbing this with the compact powder so that it doesn't crease. The concealer tend to crease most of the time, so if you set it with the powder, it is actually good. Then from the same palette again I have taken the same brown the color, and I'm using the same palette to do my brows also. Very lightly I'm just taking the color and applying in my sparse area in the eyebrows so that it looks defined. And this is the contour, blush and highlighter palette from Mars Cosmetics, which is again very reasonable price, very much pigmented, so you will have to go with a little product. You can see the blush I applied a lot further, so you'll again have to set it. So go with the very minimum product. Little is really good. That is what I've noticed in the Mars Cosmetic products. And the palette shade was La La Land 03. So it is again a very versatile palette wherein you have all the three things. And this is the blush. You'll have to go with very minimum handed because this is supremely pigmented. So you can see I've applied a lot of product in terms of blush, and we can definitely reduce it. There is no problem if you ever apply it more. I'll show you how you can do it. And same, I have taken the contouring thing from the same palette, the brown color, and I'm just trying to define my nose bridge by using the contouring method. I hope it comes fine. Very lightly I'm just contouring it, and I'll just rub the harsh edges from my fingers. And I've used the same sponge which I used to blend my BB cream. So whenever you feel that your blush is more, do the same thing which I've did. And then I've taken this highlighter from the same palette, and I'm just applying on the high points of my face so that it looks more highlighted. Even the highlighter was actually really good. It was not chalky at all. It was really smooth in texture, and it was very easily blendable. There are certain highlighters which are very chalky, so this was not from that category. And next I've used this pen eyeliner. Yeah, this is a pen eyeliner. I actually bought it for a combo wherein I got a mascara and this pen liner. This was again, I think it retailed for 370 or 380, and again I got it on discount. So the tip of this pen liner is really good in terms of drawing the wing. And then I've taken this eyelash curler, and I'm just curling my lashes and then applying the mascara so that it looks more voluminous in terms of mascara, because I don't have much of lashes and I usually don't use any false lashes. So yeah. And then I've gone with the lipstick from same Mars Cosmetic brand, and this was a pink shade which I have taken. I actually ordered three lipstick. This is one of the pink shade which I've taken. Again, this was supremely matte, and it would stay really good for 5 to 6 hours. It was really good lipstick. And then I've applied a small bindi, and later on I've just gone with this choker sort of thing. Yeah, this was again, I've purchased this online, and this, you don't believe, this retails for just 180 rupees, which I purchased it from Flipkart, and it was really good for the price which I paid. Yeah, so I'm at the end of this video, and this was a really mini review plus makeup video. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, if you do like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot and motivates me to make more videos further. Thank you so much for watching.